MT4 has a variety of other features which you may want to take advantage of or you may need. Understanding how to set these up and letting your MT4 platform know you want to use them is easy and intuitive. Start by clicking on Tools on your main toolbar and selecting Options. Let's start on the left with a tab called Server. These boxes are automatically populated when you log into your account with your broker's MT4 server name and your account number and your password. You may wish to change your password to something more personal, especially if you want to log into your account on a different computer or a smartphone. Simply click the Change button and enter your existing password and your new password. Let's look at charts. Show Trade Levels allows you to turn on and off the display of the open positions. Show Open, High, Low, Close turns off this display. Show Ask Line will have MT4 displaying both the bid and the ask price lines to allow you to get a visual view of the spreads. However, you may need to turn on the same command with your chart properties as well. Right-click on the chart, click Properties, Common, and tick Show Ask Line. You may need to go to a shorter time frame to actually see these lines. There are a couple of interesting options in Objects. Show Properties After Creation ensures that the Properties box appears every time, allowing you to quickly modify every object. Select Object After Creation means that the small boxes appear instantly, allowing you to move or modify the object without having to find the right spot and double-clicking. To take the object out of select mode, simply double-click on it. In the Trade tab, you may have specific assets appear every time, but best to leave this on automatic. Size by default refers to the position size of your trade. Selecting default and entering a figure you have previously calculated is prudent here. In this case, we have entered 0.30. Now, when we open an order ticket, 0.30 is the default volume. We will look at expert advisors in another video, but to use EAs, you will find that you must have Allow Automated Trading and Allow DLL Imports ticked. This is usually the first point of troubleshooting if an expert advisor is not functioning. Notifications as well will be covered in another video, as this is specifically for your MT4 desktop to send alerts to your MT4 mobile app on iPhone or Android. In that same video, we will show you how to set up email alerts for the same notifications. FTP is for advanced users who want to automatically upload reports to a remote server. Events is basically a list of audible alerts emitted by events in MT4. You may change them by double-clicking on an event and changing the noise. Community is the place to register to be part of the MQL5 community of developers, which will allow advanced MT4 users the option of an array of products and services. To review, in this lesson, we covered a variety of options to help enhance your trading experience and possibly troubleshoot issues in the future. In the next lesson, we will look at notifications and alerts.